Fall is here, and that means so is the flu season. Now, health officials are urging people to get vaccinated this month. They say last year should serve as a warning for people across the country. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, during the 2017-2018 flu season, 900,000 people in the U.S. were hospitalized with influenza. This year, they're encouraging people to get ahead of the virus. KIMT News 3's Jeremiah Wilcox went to a mobile flu shot clinic today to learn more.
The flu season can last up until spring, and if you've ever had the flu, you wouldn't want to get it again. So doctors and nurses are asking people to get the vaccine soon to ensure the body builds up defenses to fight the virus. Summer is officially over, and that means not only is school back in session, but so is the flu season.
I experienced it myself. I was out for a couple days with fever, hot and cold flashes, and I was on the couch for a couple days.
Elijah Kennitz is a licensed practical nurse studying at Riverland to become a registered nurse.
We see a lot of flu around this time of year.
Last year, peak flu season was from December to February, so health officials are urging people to get shots before October is over. They say it takes about 2 weeks after a vaccination for antibodies to develop, and that's especially important for those most at risk, like children and the elderly.
And let's say I went and visited my grandma, she would be at high risk for getting that, and she could be getting, it could develop into worse symptoms for her. So
Jaden Munch is a nursing student at Riverland Community College in Austin, and she says every year she gets a shot. This year is no different.
it can be fatal for some people. So I've always gotten vaccines. I'm a firm believer in them.
The CDC estimates that if the vaccination rate increased just 5% across the entire population, that could prevent hundreds of thousands of medical visits and hospitalizations associated with the flu. The CDC says it's impossible to predict what this flu season will be like because the virus spreads every year, so it varies from season to season.